So we're going to have a bit of fun now. Everyone knows how much we love Umbraco, but other products and platforms are available. We're going to go head to head and argue sort of in favor of one or another. On one of these cards is Umbraco, on the other is WordPress. Joe, Callum, pick a card.
I've got Umbraco.
That means I got WordPress. Excellent.
Right, I'll leave you the head start as you're at a disadvantage.
All right, fine. Okay, WordPress has got a few good things going for it.
Okay.
It's got a very rich ecosystem of plugins and themes, literally hundreds of thousands of plugins and themes, that give you the ability to just install something and get a site up and running with general functionality, the kind of stuff you need for a website, in minutes.
Okay, Umbraco also has thousands of plugins, but also Umbraco is far more customizable, I'd argue, than WordPress is. You don't have as much to start with, I'll grant you that, but what you build is bespoke and unique to what you need as a customer. So we're not just taking an off-the-shelf theme, so your site looks like everyone else, and we're not just taking plugins that define the markup of your website and potentially the look and feel of your website. We've got a lot more control with Umbraco. So whatever the content, whatever the shape of your content you want to put into your CMS, Umbraco can handle that. We design the schema ourselves, so things exactly fit the niche we put them in.
Very good. WordPress has a concept of schema types where you can register your own types of content into the database and they appear on the left-hand side of the menu. There's also a really popular plugin called Advanced Custom Fields that allows us to sort of choose different text fields and different editors that should appear on different page types. So that kind of allows us to create a similar experience to Umbraco. WordPress is very cheap to host and quite easy to set up. It's a single one-step installer. A lot of hosting providers just have it installed out of the box. You're ready to go. And there's WordPress.com, which whilst it's a slightly different flavor of WordPress, it's not the full open source product. It is fully managed for you and you can do everything you can do with real WordPress.
So Umbraco does offer some hosting themselves. So Umbraco Cloud is an out-the-box solution that you can run. But what I will say is that is the full version of Umbraco. So if you outgrow Umbraco Cloud and want to have more control over your hosting, you can move that exact site from Umbraco Cloud to somewhere else. I think you might have a bit more trouble with that with WordPress.
Very interesting. WordPress
Yes.
powers about 500 million websites. That's a really large portion of the internet, including some of the most popular sites out there. I mentioned the Wall Street Journal before, but yeah, a lot of news-based sites do use it, I admit, but there are others as well. It's got e-commerce platforms, there's a wide range of options.
Well, Umbraco also powers millions of sites on the internet. I'll grant you, as many as WordPress, but it is a very robust solution that supports caching out the box and is also scalable, scales really well.
Yeah, can't argue with that.
WordPress definitely has got its place, but personally I'll stick with Umbraco for now.